Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can get local channels on TCL Smart TV. So make sure to watch this video till the end. And let's begin. First, verify the combined tuner next. Make sure that your TCL Smart TV has a built-in tuner. The majority of contemporary televisions have a digital tuner that lets you watch over-the-air channels. Then buy a JD TV antenna and connect that to your TCL Smart TV. Now ensure that the antenna is suitable for your location and supports those channels that you want. After that, to scan the channels, go to your TV settings and look for the option related to channel tuning next. Choose Auto Scan to let your TV search for available channels. Now typically this will include local television networks. Now for the entire setup complete, follow the on-screen settings. Complete the channel setting by following the on-screen directions. Then your TV will recognize and store the available channels. Next, verify the intensity of the signals. Then you might need to modify the antenna or think about getting a more powerful one if several channels are missing or have poor reception. So make sure you use a streaming device or set up top box. As an alternative, you can utilize a streaming device that allows local channel access or an external set-top box like a digital converter box. Now connect your smart TV to that box and follow the instructions. So that's basically how you can get local channels on TCL Smart TV. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.